Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, the co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we always talk about how to make money online, how to do investments, and time to talk about tech and dollar arbitrage. Yeah, today, I want to show you some small way of making money online. Yeah, so today is the biggest, let me say, time opportunity for you to save your USDT. Yeah, so if you have the knowledge about dollar arbitrage, how you can do the arbitrage and everything, yeah, this video is very good for you. And if you don't have any knowledge about it too, this video is good for you. But I have a mentorship in my description, if you want to join and know much about dollar arbitrage and more of online businesses. I can guide you and mentor you and show you the way for you to also make money in your pocket. Yeah, so the reason why I'm saying that today is the best time for you to save your RCT, because like you know, for the past 1 month, I've been doing videos about dollar arbitrage, and I hope you have been asking yourself why? Because that last month, the arbitrage was some way it wasn't very profitable, and even if it's profitable, the wasn't even like the margin is too small for me. That is why I haven't been doing videos about it again. But I'll be starting it next week because the arbitrage now is making sense. It's making more money. Yeah, so I have 4 apps that can make your arbitrage journey very successful, that you can earn lots of money in this arbitrage business. I started this arbitrage just 3 months, and if you see here, you see that I've made more than $2,000. You see, I've made more than $2,000. Let's say close to $2,000 on this platform. Yeah, and $2,000 in Ghana is more than 23,000 Ghana cedis. That's old currency, 230 million old currency. Yeah, so because I have this knowledge, that is why I have a mentorship and membership in my description. You join, it's just 300 cities, and I'll guide you and mentor you for you to also make more money online. A lot of people always chat to me, bro, guide me, help me. No, knowledge is not for free. If you want knowledge, unless you buy it, if you buy knowledge, you have buy wealth. Is that thing? Yeah, so we don't give knowledge out of free. Nah, don't do that. So today, if you don't have USDT, buy some. And if you have some, please don't spend it all. I've been spending all my USDT. Yeah, but today till next week, I'll be saving my USDT. So from today till next week, like this, save your USDT, because bigger opportunity is on the way coming for arbitrages, like people who love to make money through arbitrage. That is why I'm doing this video for you. If you have USDT, please save right now. If you don't have some, buy some right now. And I know what I'm saying because I did a video last year saying these things, and people will be like, yo, and they missed that opportunity. You see, we were all afraid of it, so we bought small USD and we made small profits. But this year, we are about to make huge profits. That is why I'm doing this video, to bring the announcement or the challenge to you that the arbitrage is about to make huge sales. And these 4 apps that I'll be introducing to you in my mentorship can change everything. These 4 apps can change everything, can change your dollar arbitrage journey. If you're Nigeria, Ghanaian, If you're from Zimbabwe, South Africa, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, it's good for you, and you can make huge profit from it. So that's why I'm doing this video. Yeah. So you just have to invest just 1,000 Ghana cedis, or let me say 100 USDT. You can make more than 1,000 USDT out of it. I know what I'm saying, bro. I know what I'm saying. That is why I'm doing this video for you. You can make more than 1,000 USDT. Yeah. So you just join my mentorship and my membership for just 300 cities, and let's cash out together. The next one really say I can rhymes, and I'm out. Thank you.